Well, trying to get some of this cleaned up in here. I wanted to get up this black plastic sheeting I had down the sides here, trying to keep the grass from growing up. Sort of worked until it didn't work. So decided to rip it up and well, you can see what's been going on underneath the black plastic. Any sort of cover and smother is, well, yeah, the grass died, but you can pretty much see the moonscape of worm activity all through there, and that is just what they do. Now, obviously, we also have a fair share of slugs hiding out in some of the more damp spots. That's just to be expected. But what I did not expect, and this is so cool, this little guy right down here. Just a little salamander. Ain't he the cutest thing? Hey, buddy. Just hanging out? So you took away your little hidey hole there. You know, you've got a few more. I'm sure you can find one somewhere. Damp, cool, quiet. Are you shy? Look at you. That's just cool. Anyways, probably freaking him out right now. Although I don't know, he did wink at me earlier. Huh. But yeah, just wanted to show that, and I just thought that was pretty cool to see what was going on underneath the mulch cover of plastic. Not that I was intending to use this area as a garden spot, but yeah, you never know what's hiding just under the mulch layer. It's pretty cool.